it, sir. You better stop it, sir. He wanna look. He wants some of this. He can't handle this motherfucker right here. Look at him. We got some light in here, man. It's kind of dark in here. All right, man. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Scatyblk817, man. Let me get out this thing because we ain't got no light. Let me get a light. Hey, we done pulled up out here to a car meet, man. Out here in Irving, Texas, man. You know what I'm saying? We finna go get it on. We're gonna get some footage, man, of these cars, get some walk around, man. We're gonna get it in today, man. So, hey, look, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hey, subscribe to the channel right now, man. We're going up. All 2020, man. Let's go. All right, we out here at the meet, man. Y'all see what's going on? We got some light today. Yeah, sir. I'm going around here and show y'all the cars, man. Y'all see that thing right there, man. Doing this thing, looking good. Got my boy Gio, he done came out. Got bro with me, he came out. You know what I'm saying? Gio, what's up, bro? Want to shout it up? All right, look at it. All right, he always pointing to his car and shit. Like right over there. Thing hard. I like that. Got the matte. That matte yellow with the black. The whole black shadows. That's hard. Who is that? That's hard. I like that. Yeah. Yeah, that's hard. That is hard. They got a whole lot of. This like a whole. This I guess this like an import meat maybe. Yeah. That's hard. Man, that thing hard. That's hard, though. Yeah, sir, brother. What they got? I thought it was some forging, but it ain't no forging. But I mean, it's still hard, though. What them hoes is? I don't know what them hoes is. I don't know what them is. Them hoes hard, bro. I like them hoes. What they got in the back? All right, the truck, bro. That's hard, bro. Yeah, sir. Hey, that's his Instagram right here, man. Y'all give him a follow. I'm talking about that thing look good, man. Oh, damn, bro. Look at these cars, bro. Like little go-karts and shit, bro. Bro. Hey, man, I bet you that thing. I bet that mother run, too, bro. Damn, bro. Look how small it is. Hey, this fuck around be my thumbnail right here, bro. That might be my thumbnail, bro. Yeah, man. I want y'all to look at these cars, man. Damn. I stand beside that mother. Let me get a thumbnail, bro. Alright, that's hard. I like that. It's yours?
No, that's his right there, actually.
Oh, that's his right here?
Yes, sir.
What was that? You did?
I think so.
Did you subscribe?
Yeah, if it's who I think it is.
Yeah, Scatyblk, that's me.
I just put the dash in it. I've still got the dash pad. I've got to wait for it to come in.
Man, y'all check that out, guys. That is crazy. And I like how you got the pedals.
Yeah, that's
they matching the flag.
Woe and go.
Oh,
red,
okay.
black, or red, blue.
Yeah.
Woe and go.
So what kind of cylinder is it?
It's 1275, 4-cylinder.
Oh, it's 4-cylinder. Okay.
And it imported it from Japan.
Wow. So how much a car like this cost, man?
You can probably find them for around 10 plus.
10 grand, okay. That's nice. I love that. That is crazy.
And going, depending on what year it is and stuff.
This yellow vet, man. I'm sorry, that thing hard. That black and yellow? Yeah, sir, I like that. That's hard. That's hard, man. Good at that. All right, that is hard, man. Check up under, look up under the hood, man. God damn, boy. Man, that is hard. Man, I can't wait to get up under my hood, bro. Yeah, bro. I'm talking about, man, that's hard, bro. Look at that. Gotta get these, man. Yeah, man, come on now. Ooh, shit. Alright, this. Oh, he's finna snap it up. Let me get out of the way. He be snapping it up. Got that black one. Yeah, man, that's hard. 757. That's the one y'all seen. Y'all see this one in the thumbnail. I'm talking about, man, look at the inside of this thing, bro. Come on, man, look at that screen in there. Man, that is hard. Man, that is hard. That is hard. That's nice. And I don't know if this is a paint job or this a wrap, but it is very nice, very glossy. Hard. Yeah, that motherfucker hard. That bit loud. And that whole chopping loud. I like it. Come here, man. Come here. Now look. Now I want you to look in the camera and tell the people what you just told me, man.
You say something stupid again?
Nah, I said I'm gonna be the hardest one in the group.
He gonna have the hardest car in the club. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, document that. What time is it?
Yeah. It's a whole lot of fucking copyright and
The
shit.
friend talk.
That's hard. I like that. Yeah, that is. Got women to torque right here. Women to torque. Yeah, sir. Yeah, they hard, man. I like she got the whole New Orleans thing. Like all that glitter. Hey, look. Hey, this what you got right here? Hey, this the same shit you got?
Yeah, look.
What's that?
Taking my shit.
That's hard. Oh, hey, that motherfucker shining. Hey, your shit ain't. Your shit
She got a bigger piece than me though.
I'm talking about, bro, that shit look
DTX
crazy.
did that.
Oh, he did a damn good job. Oh, I see you over here. What is this? Infinity? The fuck? Ooh, man, say, dude got TVs in that thing, bro. What? Okay. I see you, man. I see you. That boy nice. Like how he got the underglow, the LED lights up under the scoop. That's hard. TV in the back too. Yeah, he doing it. He lit up. That's hard. Pull that thing back. Yeah, sir, brother. I see you, brother. It's hard. I like it. Ooh, y'all see, man, got the motherfucking Lambo right here, bro. Yes, sir. Y'all see it ain't no game, man. Y'all see this thing, man. Yeah, hard. And Vet Light, y'all check them out. Give them a follow. What you think, Cuddy? That motherfucker busting, ain't it? Yeah, it's alright. Hey, quiet. He says I like a President Bottle. That bitch fuck. That bitch. You touch your that bitch nasty. I fuck with it hard, bro. That hard. I like that. That hard. Oh, that's your car, bro? Yeah, okay. All right, we got the owner right here. Yeah. Y'all see it? He finna open the doors up for her. All right, by far, man, he probably done had the hardest car up here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, sir. Them mother clean here. Check it out, y'all. Yeah, man. Come on. Ooh, that man got Alcantara suede dash, bro. Stop playing. Come on, man. Look at the seats, man. Lambo on the seats. Y'all see what it is. Come on, man. Hey, look at them. Look at them paddle shifters. Ha! Ooh, shit. Look at the. Come on, man. Look at the dash on that bitch. Man, this motherfucker hard, bro. I'm talking about that crazy, though, bro. Y'all see right here, man. We got the whole women of torque. You know what I'm saying? They lined up all down here. Matter of fact, they gotta meet. We gonna be going to December the 19th. So we're gonna be going to that shit. This Beauty and the Beast car, her shit hard. I like how she got the whole little stripe kit with the white, with the yellow, all that, man. So y'all check out, man. Y'all give her a follow and shit. Who she wrapped up by? Dallas, Texas, right? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that whole little stripe kit on the back. Yeah, it's hard. Underglows down there. I fuck with it. It's hard. Ooh, y'all see that thing from the back. Man, that thing look mean from the back. Yeah, sir. Come on now. All right, YouTube, we about to get out of here, man. But I was getting ready to go, man. I had a supporter that came up to me, man. He say, oh, he been watching the YouTube channel, so gotta come show him some love, cause he gonna be on the video, man. So this is car right here. He got the Dodge Dart. Man, he boy, hey, top. Top, okay. Hey, top. Yeah. So here it is. Got the Dodge Dart, man. You know what I'm saying? Got the mod effects on there. Make sure y'all go check him out, man. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put his information down in the video just because he say he rocking with the channel. Straight supporter, man. I appreciate you, my guy. Alright, you too, man. So hey, man, that concludes today's video, man. Hope y'all like this video, man. Nighttime meet out here in Irving, man. Know it's kind of black. And I'm black. I got on black. It's because I'm scattered black, man. But hey, appreciate y'all for watching the video, man. Hey, give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, man, subscribe to the channel right now. I'm trying to hit that 2K, you guys. We can do it over here. Let's go, man. But y'all already know how I do it, man. It's your boy Scatyblk signing out, and I'll catch y'all on the next video, man. Go! Hey, goddamn, Jill. Yeah, look at how he want to smoke it out. He want to smoke it out. Ready? Come on. Get your ass out of here.
I ain't no tell.